Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today, we're going to learn about some delicious fruits that we find in the autumn season. Are you ready? Let's go. First, we have apple. Apples can be red, green, or yellow. And they are crunchy and sweet. Can you say apple?
Apple.
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 Example, I like to eat an apple every day. Next is pear. Pears are soft and juicy, and they come in different colors like green and yellow. Can you say pear?
Pear.
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 Example, pear is my favorite fruit for autumn. This is a pomegranate. Inside, it has many little red seeds that taste sweet and tart. Can you say pomegranate?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate?
Pomegranate.
Example, I love to eat pomegranate seeds in the autumn. Here we have grapes. Grapes are small and come in bunches, and they can be sweet or sour. Can you say grapes?
Grapes.
Grapes?
Grapes.
Example, we pick grapes in the autumn. Next, we have fig. Figs are soft, sweet, and full of tiny seeds inside. Can you say fig?
Fig.
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 Example, figs make a yummy snack in the fall. These are cranberries. They're small, red, and a little sour. People often make cranberry sauce with them. Can you say cranberries?
Cranberries.
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 Example, we use cranberries for special autumn meals. Now we have persimmon. Persimmons are orange and very sweet when they're ripe. Can you say persimmon?
Persimmon.
Persimmon?
Persimmon.
Example, I like to eat persimmons in the autumn. This is a plum. Plums are soft and juicy with a sweet taste. Can you say plum?
Plum.
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 Example, I eat plums in autumn. We continue with quints. It's a yellow fruit that people usually cook to make it taste sweet. Can you say quints?
Quints.
Quints?
Quints.
Example, we make quince jam in the autumn. Last one, we have chestnuts. Chestnuts are nuts that people roast, and they taste delicious in the autumn. Can you say chestnuts?
Chestnuts.
Chestnuts?
Chestnuts.
Example, I love roasted chestnuts in the fall. Great job, everyone! Let's go over all our autumn fruits one more time. Repeat after me. Apple.
Apple.
Pear.
Pear.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Fig.
Fig.
Cranberries.
Cranberries.
Persimmon.
Persimmon.
Plum.
Plum,
quince,
quince,
chestnuts.
chestnuts.
Well done. Now you know all about some tasty autumn fruits. Thanks for learning with Maci-English for Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time and enjoy your autumn fruits.